0xc00005 on exit PC. Update GPU drivers, very important. Update NVIDIA, AMD, Intel drivers to the latest version. Do a clean installation if possible. Old or partially corrupted drivers commonly cause access violation errors. Verify game files, Steam. Right-click Nioh 3, Properties. Installed files, click Verify integrity of game files. Corrupted or missing files can trigger this error during shutdown. Check Disable overlays. Turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, NVIDIA Shadowplay, AMD overlay. MSI Afterburner. Riva Tuner overlays inject into game memory and are a common cause of 0xc0000005. Run the game as administrator. Go to Nioh 3 installation folder. Right-click Nioh3.exe, Properties, Compatibility. Check Run this program as administrator prevents permission-related memory conflicts. Add antivirus exception. Add the Nioh 3 folder to Windows Defender exclusions, any third-party antivirus whitelist. Security software sometimes blocks memory access during shutdown. Disable full-screen optimizations. Right-click Nioh3.exe, Properties, Compatibility. Check Disable full-screen optimizations, helps with weird exit crashes. Repair Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Let it complete and repair any corrupted system files. Check RAM if it happens in other games too. Press Win-R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart and run memory diagnostic. If RAM is unstable, XC00005 appears in many games. Check important. If the error happens only when closing the game and everything else works perfectly, it's likely a minor shutdown bug in the game itself. It does not harm your system. In that case, keep drivers updated, wait for the next patch. You can safely ignore it if gameplay is stable. If you want, tell